Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world. He is worth over $83 billion. Is there any better way how to learn investing than from this guy? I don't think so. This video is from Yahoo Finance and Warren Buffett is gonna tell us how we could have turned $100 into $400,000. So let's check the video.
So I want to ask a little bit about some of the new investing things going on in the markets. And Greg Wondra from Bakersfield wonders about target date funds. And I wanted to also ask about all the new index funds with a brain. Are those things really adding value?
No, probably not. The S&P 500 index fund is the one to use. That's the one I used in that bet I made for 10 years. It's the one I've told the trustee for my wife to put 90% of the funds I leave her into.
This is quite important information, right? If he says to his wife that she should have 90% of her funds in S&P 500, oh my God, what does it tell us? What does it tell us? That it's probably good, right?
The S&P 500 is, I don't know whether it's 80% of the market value of, of everything you can buy in this country. And it's over, I think it's over 20 trillion. And you're buying America. And let me give you a figure that'll blow your mind, I think. I bought my first stock when I was 11 years old. It was the first quarter of 1942, shortly after Pearl Harbor. I spent $114.75. Three shares, $114.75. If I put that 114 into the S&P 500 at that time and reinvested the dividends, think of a figure as to what it would be worth today.
Oh man!
Well, it's
okay.
But I just want your audience to think for a second.
Okay.
The answer is about $400,000. So if I, as a little kid, had taken that $114 I'd saved shoveling snow or whatever I'd done, $400,000 today, one person's lifetime.
Let's play some numbers because most of us don't have so many years like Warren Buffett did when he started. What would happen if we invested in 2005? So it's 15 years investment. What would happen with our $10,000? And we would invest in US stock market. It's like S&P 500. We can add S&P 500 here as well, so you can see that it's almost the same. We would have $39,000. Now you can see that S&P 500 and all US stock market is almost the same. Now you can say, but Warren Buffett had more, much more, because he had many more years, and compound effect is all about that years, guys. You have to start really early. Let's say we would have 30 years, so let's go to 1990. $182,000? It's much more, right? And what about if we go back here? It's gonna be $1 million. And look at the importance of the long term, because you can see here that if you would invest in 2000 and you would sell it in 2009, you could lose money here. In 9 years, you could be down. Right? So the most important thing is the long term and investing consistently. So you never know what's gonna happen in the future. You don't know what's gonna happen now. Maybe it will be flat as well. Maybe it will go down a little bit. You never know. So that's why the best way is not timing the market, but time in the market and invest consistently. Maybe every month or every year, but invest consistently.
That's America. I mean, that isn't me. It is the huge tailwind the American economy gives to any equity investor. Now, the market's gone down many times during that time. People have panicked during that time. Headlines have been terrible. It looked like we were losing the war when we first bought it. But America is a powerful economic machine that since 1776 has worked, and it's going to keep working. Now, you don't want to buy to hold for a year. You don't want to buy with the idea that you could sell it in 2 years or 3 years, necessarily make money. You could lose money that way. But if you buy it for 10, 20, just keep buying the S&P 500 index and forget about all the other nonsense that's being sold to you, because I'll guarantee you one thing about the stuff being sold to you. it will carry bigger fees than what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, he's saying that long term is the key. I know it today as well, but I didn't know it when I started investing. That's why I sold my Tesla, for example. After a little profit what I made, I sold it right away. If I would just wait, I would earn much more money today. And with this index fund strategy, you just don't care if the market goes down or up. You just invest consistently, and over the years, you should be fine.
And there's no reason to think that we don't know if it's 400,000, but that same sort of process or returns won't happen starting right now.
The S&P 500 companies have earned well over 10% on equity, often 15% annually for years and years and years and years. They've done it with Democratic administrations, with Republican administrations. Now, you get money compounding at that kind of rate underlying your investment, and you get a diversified group of that. I mean, you're going to do well.
If Warren Buffett says that you are going to do well with that strategy even in the future, we all know that past doesn't create future, right? So we don't know if it's gonna be the same in the future. But if the Warren Buffett says, I am more confident about it. I will show you one more thing why Warren Buffett is Warren Buffett, and his average return for his career is 20% per year. It's twice more. So let's see what would happen if this changes. Let's say we invest $10,000. No additional contribution now. Let's go 0. And let's say we have 20 years to grow $67,000. But what Warren Buffett is getting? 20%? Only change percent, and it's $383,000. Here you can see the compound effect, what is it doing. Look at that graph, is going in the sky, right? And more years means you get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. That's why if I put 40 years, check this out. Oh, it's going only 30 years. Okay, 30 years, it's $2,373,000 only from 10,000. And let's do one more thing, because we want to invest consistently. We don't want to just put one amount and wait 30 years. We want to invest consistently. So let's put here additional contribution every year, the same amount. Okay, let's say 10,000 every year. What do you think? How much is it gonna be? $14 million in 30 years. How much we paid? We paid 300,000 and we got 13.8 million. Oh my god. But 20% is quite tough, okay? Don't count with that number. Only Warren Buffett can count with number like this. Even though I am a little Warren Buffett the last 4 years, because when I started investing 2016, I have now average return 21.48% per every year. So I basically doubled my money and made that Warren Buffett return, but it doesn't mean anything because it's only 4 years. It's not like Warren Buffett's 70 years or how many years he's on the market. And also last 4 years were quite easy, right? Everything was growing, so it was quite easy last 4 years. So it doesn't mean anything, but it's nice to see it, and my goal is to maintain this. That's why I'm learning about investing, and I want to maintain this percentage because it's going to grow like crazy in the time, right? If Warren Buffett did it, it means that it is possible. But it doesn't mean that you should do it, because picking stock and so on, it's quite complicated. I invest in this like 10 hours a day. It's not easy at all. And the best way, and also my backbone of my portfolio, are index funds. And it's really possible in the future that index funds, average index fund, will outperform my portfolio. And the best thing is really that you just don't need to do anything. You just buy a little of index fund every single month or year, and this is all you do. You don't read news, anything. It's just so simple, this strategy. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own decisions. There is no guarantee that future will be the same like the past. Maybe it will not work. Maybe it will be flat. Nothing happens. Maybe we will lose a little bit of money. But it's up to you. I am willing to take these risks. If you want to know more about index funds, I already made a video about index fund investing, really in depth, so you can watch it right here. I think it's really the best investment for most people, so you can watch it right here. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.